A very good morning, children. This is Sonia Verma, your SST teacher from Springfields Public School. Let us continue with History chapter Towns, Traders and Craftsmen on page number 85. Last time we had discussed Hampi. Let us discuss the next town, that is Masulipattnam, which is there in Andhra Pradesh. So Masulipattnam is situated on the bank of river Krishna. It was founded in the 14th century. It is a port town. It was also called Machilipatnam because the gateway to the town was decorated with the eyes of a fish. So this town, situated on the delta of river Krishna, was a major center of intense activity during the 17th century. Both the Dutch and English East India Company tried to control it. The fort at Masulipattnam was built by the Dutch. The French, English and Dutch traded from Masulipattnam during the 17th century. It was the main port of Kingdom of Golconda. A royal court from the Qutub Shahi Sultan permitted the Dutch to establish a trading post there. Trading post means that they were given permission to develop a settlement, keep soldiers, etc. Masulipattnam was a production center of fine chintz, which was much in demand in the markets of Southeast Asia. You can see here in this picture, chintz is wood block printed, painted, stained, or glazed calico textile. Calico means cotton, which originated in Golconda in the 16th century. Cloth is printed with designs featuring flowers and other patterns in different colors, typically on a light plain background. Here you can see the block printing which is being done. Here you can see example of chintz. Natural colors and dyes are used. Let us come to the next craft which was famous in Masulipattnam, for which Masulipattnam was and even today is famous, is its kalamkari work. Here you can see the kalamkari work. In kalamkari work also natural colors and dyes are used. Natural and vegetable dyes are used. The word kalamkari means pen and work. It refers to a method of painting natural and vegetable dyes onto cotton or silk fabric with a bamboo pen. You can see different types of bamboo pen here. This is how the painting is done. This is how the color filling is done. So this is the kalamkari work. Masulipattnam was a major trading center for kalamkari textiles. These textiles, they were exported to the Safavid Empire in Persia. You can see this area in red color. You can see the empire in Persia. When Bombay, Calcutta and Madras became trading post of the Europeans, Masulipattnam lost its importance. Here you can see, children, Mumbai, which was known as Bombay at that time, Kolkata, which was known as Calcutta at that time, and Chennai, which was known as Madras at that time. So that is all for today, children. Keep on revising your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.